We are just a few weeks away from the start of hurricane season.
So now is the perfect time for all of us to review our homeowners and renters insurance policies. Joining us right now is Mark Friedlander with the Insurance Information Institute. Mark, thank you so much for joining us tonight.
Thanks so much for having me.
Okay, first of all, our area experienced several strong hurricanes last year that left a lot of people flooded. So does a standard homeowners policy cover certain types of flooding?
It really depends. Basically, the way you look at it is top-down flooding, meaning say you have a hole in your roof from wind damage, that type of flooding would be covered. But bottom-up flooding, which is flooding from the ground up, that requires flood insurance. So it's really important to have flood insurance when you live in Florida, no matter where you live. Central Florida is prone to severe flooding, as we've seen over the past several hurricane seasons.
And would you recommend getting that as a separate, complete flood insurance policy, or can you add it on to your existing one?
It depends on your insurer. In most cases, it is sold as a separate policy, either through FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program or a private flood insurer. But sometimes property insurers do offer it as an endorsement to add to your policy.
You know, here, when we talk about this on TV, we often say document your belongings. I don't know how many people actually do it. Why is it important to do that? And what's the best way to actually do that?
Having a home inventory and having a digital catalog, take photos of everything, have a list of all your items, that will help resolve claims much quicker. If you have to file a claim after a storm, it makes it so much easier if you have a documented home inventory. And we have information on our website at iii.org that makes it really easy to create your own home inventory.
Mark, when it comes to your vehicle, what if your car's in your garage? Is that covered by your homeowners or your auto insurance if a flood were to hit it?
You need comprehensive auto. That's an add-on coverage. About 4 out of 5 drivers in Florida carry it. It covers all storm damage. Say, for example, your car is in your garage and the home collapses. Your home insurance will not cover that. You need comprehensive auto. The same thing if your car is flooded out from the storm. So it's really important to add on comprehensive if you don't have it today.
And we all know that not everyone is a homeowner. A lot of people rent apartments or homes themselves. Is your advice the same for renters as it is homeowners?
Renters insurance is a very reasonably cost policy because you're not insuring the building, you're just insuring your possessions. And the landlord is responsible for the building, but you are responsible for everything within the walls of your unit. So it's really important to have insurance for renters coverage, and also if you live on a lower floor, to get flood insurance as well. And once again, very reasonably priced because flood insurance is much less for a renter than it would be for a homeowner.
Mark, while we have you here, also, can we talk about the insurance rates that have hit Florida? Yesterday, we did a report that said we have the second highest in the entire country. Are things starting to stabilize, and could we start to see those go the other direction for Florida homeowners?
We're seeing very positive signs of stability in Florida. In the fourth quarter last year, the average premiums actually decreased in Florida. The first time since 2016, the market's heading in the right direction. There's more companies available. It's giving opportunities to shop your policy where you could get competitive quotes. A much improved market. In fact, probably the strongest financial position of Florida's insurance market in more than a decade.
That is great
We
news.
like the sound of that. Thank you so much, Mark, for joining us tonight. We hope to speak to you again soon, as, of course, we approach hurricane season, now just a few weeks away. Thank you, Mark.
Thanks so much.
All right, let's talk